video? Alright. Let the people see which wedding we're at. We're in Malaysia.
Semoga kalian bahagia, bercinta hingga ke syurga.
No way, the famous cat. Oh, look at him, he's here. Oh my god. No, I'm here as well. It's true. It's
Orang tu dah kahwin kali aku dia.
look at the palm tree over there. Palm tree. Have a look. Look, the palm tree.
Oh yeah. No, that's the tree.
Coconut tree.
Yeah.
Insane. Coconut tree. Yeah, so just as you saw from the video, I was randomly invited to this wedding and I said yes. And actually the person that invited me told me that they told me that while we were at the wedding or after the wedding or both, they told me that they actually did not expect me to say yes and to join them. But I did. So you guys, if you ever think of making an invitation to me, double think, because I might say yes, all right? And I might surprise you. So, but that's that. But it's been, I just want to say this thing. This is what traveling can give you. Like these type of moments are once in a lifetime type of moments. All right. So random, so out of nowhere. In fact, I was invited to this wedding Friday night, Friday evening, and the wedding was already on Saturday. Okay. And I did had some things that I had to do on Saturday, but I did my best to adjust and be able to attend the wedding. I mean, traditional Malaysian wedding. I've been here in Kuala Lumpur for about 2 weeks, less than 2 weeks. No, in fact, actually, today is 2 weeks since I've been in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur. And guys, 3 weeks ago, let me not say 3 weeks, but less than a month ago, I did not even know where Malaysia was on a map exactly. All right. 2 weeks ago was when I first found out what Malaysia money's name was, ringgit. Okay, because I had to change some Thai baht, some Thai money into Malaysian money because I still had some cash in the day when I left Thailand to come to Malaysia. So that's when I found out the name of the money. It was, or how the money is called here, the current currency. It's insane. It's insane, And then here I am attending a traditional Malaysian wedding outside of the city of Kuala Lumpur. It's similar to like a village, okay? Absolutely beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And this is what, you know, what you can do when you're a freelancer or you work online or, you know, you have an online business or even have an online job. You know, this is the type of experiences you can experience, and it's just insane. It's just insane because imagine the type of cultural exposure that I got. And in fact, the person, and by the way, now let me say this. In fact, the person actually thought that, as I said, that I will say no, that I will refuse, or that I wouldn't want to join. But guys, this is, for me, it's difficult to say no to such a thing. Because that's one of the best opportunities to expose yourself to the culture, to immerse yourself into the culture, right? It's like weddings, might sound sad, but funerals, you know, and other types of events like that. Just to see how other people in the other side of the world are doing things. It's so amazing. And I had such a great time. It was such a great experience for me. The immersing myself into the Malaysian culture. And I'm so grateful to the person that invited me to join. And I'm taking the opportunity to also say thank you once again. Thank you for that. It's been absolutely amazing for me. I truly, truly loved it. I can even say it's been definitely one of the best weddings I've ever attended. If not the best, well, definitely. I'm also saying that because it's been different than what I attended previously, and yeah, I enjoyed it. I totally enjoyed it, and a few things that you might think that they're a little different, not for everyone, but yeah, alcohol is not served. Obviously, Malaysia is a Muslim country. Alcohol is not served at the wedding. The food is, as far as I observed, halal. It does not contain pork, okay? And I like that because I prefer beef, to be honest, as a meat. So, but the food was amazing. It was the first time I tried real Malaysian food. Food was absolutely amazing. And if I did not put some more videos at the beginning of this video, or like some more footage, I will. Maybe now or maybe later in the video. But just wanted to say a few things. The way the groom and the bride was dressed was different. They were dressed in this dark red colors. The bride had her finger toes painted, and I did not know exactly what it meant. I kind of do now, and as far as I learned, there's nothing to do with religion, faith, or belief, or it has to do with belief, but not religion and faith. It's more of a, way to attract the men to. I don't want to say certain words here, but to look good for the man, And also the man had actually, I think the thumb, he had it painted. So those things, are new for me. I was not exposed to such things before. And yeah, I did not see people dancing, but for me, that's not a problem. I don't really dance I don't dance at all, in fact. And it was a great atmosphere. I truly enjoyed it. I had the opportunity to meet other two people there and stayed at the table with them, and had the opportunity to taste some childhood Malaysian snacks and candies, you know, from people my age. So that was really nice. That was also really nice because I know I'm nostalgic and melancholic when I see some of my childhood snacks or candies in a supermarket. And it was really nice to try that and to think, well, when I was a kid, I was eating these things. And when they were a kid or a child here in Malaysia, they were eating these things. And I was like, so it's a nice thing to just stay there and contemplate. I was in Europe and, you know, grew up in Europe, and they were here, grew up here, and like now after 20, like 15, 20 years, we meet, and I'm at a wedding in Malaysia. That's crazy. Maybe I should be ashamed of this, but 10 years ago, maybe never heard of Malaysia. Didn't even know of its existence. Or maybe not 10, maybe 15, but you get the point. While I was a kid or a teenager, I didn't even know about Malaysia, right? Which I bet people here did not know about my country, or maybe they still don't to this day. But anyways, and I was actually shocked to hear that some people, they like this person was expecting me to say no, so some people would say no to this. For me, that's insane. This is an opportunity in a lifetime to say yes to. It's not like you're going to Paris and you see tower or like Eiffel Tower. This is not something that comes up to you as an opportunity every day, all right? So it's insane why someone would say no to this. It's definitely been one of the best moments really of my life, to be honest. I truly enjoy different type of experiences, and this person helped me experience this, and I'm really grateful. And yeah, I truly enjoyed the wedding's atmosphere. Maybe some of you might be thinking, oh, if there is no alcohol, there is no dancing. Well, that doesn't have to be. The atmosphere was absolutely nice. It was amazing. The food was great. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to say, for me, this type of experiences are more valuable than, going and seeing some attractions that everyone goes to. And again, this is what me being a freelancer helps me experience, because I would not be able to experience those things if I would have a 9 to 5 and be tied up in a geographical location, obviously. Or even if I would have a business that was not online, but it was probably geographically located somewhere, I would not be able to experience this type of things. And you may think, okay, well, I can still take 1 month off. Yeah, but you actually need to be a little longer on the road for these type of opportunities to arise. Maybe they might never arise, but you have a bigger chance, right? If you're on the road for longer. So that's the first thing. Second thing, if you're already traveling, I strongly encourage you, guys, do not refuse an invitation like this if someone makes you an invitation like this. Because it's the best type of cultural exposure you can get. Okay? Being there, surrounded but just by Malaysian people, me, from what I've seen, and trust me, I was checking out everything. I was the only foreigner there. Like, literally. I did not, I do not think there were other, even South Asian people. Maybe I'm wrong, but um, they all look like Malaysian, and yeah, that's normal. When I go at the wedding in when you go at a wedding in, I don't know, America, and you are from America, then probably most of the people, if not all of the people, are Americans, right? Because it's your friends, it's your family, and so on. So it was very, very unique. And I wanted to share this with you. I hope this inspires you, and see you in the next video.